with RamenCookieD!
And I'm selling with Axolotl Gaming.
No, I'm crazy Axolotl Gaming. Whoever this Axolotl Gaming is, can you subscribe so we're better than them? Peoples that are watching this video. Alright, go into the back.
How? I don't see anything.
Just walk into the back. It doesn't matter that you can't see it. Just walk into the back of the ship.
Alright.
Okay. Alright, let's start our voyage. And we're even armed with cannons.
Can I be the controller of the cannons?
If you come down here. Oh yeah, we get stuck on corners a lot because we have an invisible barrier around us, which is supposed to protect us from rocks, but a lot of the time, it just makes things harder for us. But it's fast forward time because this is gonna take forever. So let's just sail with RamenCookieD. I'm going to skip some parts of this, and that's because I can't go above 2 times speed, which is really annoying. Look is still important. Ah! No, don't look at me. Don't you dare look at me. Down the waterfall.
Now buckle up your seatbelt.
Don't look at my face, because it's broken.
I just started a cannon.
Ah! Well, that was fun. Wasn't it?
Let's hope we survive these fights.
We probably won't. Actually, we will. Because we always have our trusty invisible barrier. I mean, if we didn't have that barrier around us, there's no way we would have made it, because this whole boat's made out of wood.
Yeah, wood sucks. Wood sucks.
Yes! Let's do this! 2 times speed! Yeah! We're doing it! Let's go! Let's do this! Let's do this! Wait, why is the treasure chest open? Oh, okay, treasure! This is like the 200th time I've made it to the end, but whatever. Flying's better, but I don't care, because this is still good. And yay! Selling with RamenCookieD! Subscribe! Subscribe! The video's now ending. Bye-bye, everybody. If I can get this recording to work.